This week's how-to, this is my favorite one. I'm actually very excited to film this one because, as the title already says, this week's how-to is the Fufanu. So I'm gonna lower the camera a bit because I want to sit out of the wind so you guys actually hear what I say. What is a Fufanu and why am I so happy to explain this trick to you guys? Well, what a Fufanu is you go up a quarter pipe, you land on the coping at about 45 degrees, and then you jump back. If you've seen last week's Abubuka video and you heard me explain something about the speed-wise they're exactly the same. You comfortably want to be able to go on top of the ramp. You don't need to carve the ramp at all, you don't need to come dead straight, but the straighter your approach is into this trick, the easier it gets. You come up, you hit the coping, and when your front wheel hits the coping, you want to bunny hop towards the coping and you twist a little bit. You twist at like about a 45-degree angle. Keep an eye on where you land on top of the coping and put your back wheel there. You're gonna have your weight leaning back towards the transition. So you're gonna be leaning like this. The more you lean forward, the more your front end's gonna drop and it's gonna push you towards the deck. So you want your front end to stay up, so you're gonna lean back. What I do personally is, as soon as I land on the coping and I squeeze my brakes, I'm gonna try to spot my landing. So I look down, gonna choose a spot where I want my bike to land again. By looking, I'm gonna twist my upper body. And when I twist my upper body, I'm basically already spinning while remaining on the coping. When I hop back, the bit my body already spun, the bike is gonna follow that direction. So it's going to correct itself towards where your upper body is pointing, and it's gonna finish your rotation. So just like the Abubuka video I made, a Fufanu, you can practice this on a bank as well. Just practice the motion of hopping into the trick, landing at a slight angle, and then hopping back and twisting and turning. And you know the deal. You can move up the bank, making it a bit more scarier, or actually go towards the edge of the bank. So you try to land on top of that edge and do a proper Fufanu. The good thing about this trick is you can do it on basically everything that has an edge. You can bunny hop and do a Fufanu on a bench, on the street. You can do a Fufanu on a sub box or on top of a wall behind the quarter pipe. You can do it wherever you want, and that's why I like it that much. As with every single how-to video I've done so far, I'd like for you guys to comment down below whatever trick you guys want to learn next. I'll add it to the list, and then hopefully I'll get around to filming it. As you guys know, or if you don't know, now you know, I do weekly how-to videos, so make sure you press that button to subscribe. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date whenever a new video comes out. I'm going to stop filming now so these scooter kids can ride the ramps behind me. So thanks. Until next week.